Ever wrestled with a stubborn jar lid? You're not alone. Maybe you've even had a few frustrating encounters that left you wondering, what is the best way to open a jar? Well, that's exactly the question Bill tackled. Stick around, because his sharing is personal experiences and research to help you say goodbye to jar opening struggles for good. Like many of us, Bill used to rely on one of those popular gadgets, the OXO Good Grips jar opener. Now, while it seemed promising, the reality was often quite different. To get a lid to budge, it felt like a workout. You had to push down and forward with significant force. And here's the kicker, those teeth, designed to grip, often ended up digging into the lid, leaving unsightly marks and sometimes even damaging it. Bill wasn't the only one facing this issue. A quick look online reveals that many others have shared similar frustrations. So if you've ever ventured online in search of the perfect jar opener, you know the sheer volume of options can be overwhelming. Electric openers, multi-tools, specialized grips. The list goes on. But what do you really want? You're likely looking for something with a high success rate, something that actually works consistently. Minimizing damage to your lids is probably a priority too. And let's not forget ease of use. Nobody wants a complicated contraption. Plus, in a crowded kitchen, something that doesn't take up much precious storage space is a huge bonus. Affordability and easy cleaning? Those are definitely on the checklist as well. After navigating through countless gadgets and online reviews, Bill stumbled upon a surprisingly simple yet incredibly effective solution. Forget bulky devices or complicated mechanisms. The best candidate, in his experience, might already be hiding in one of your kitchen drawers. We're talking about those unassuming pieces of anti-skid drawer liner. That's right, just grab a pair of scissors and cut out to small, roughly rectangular pieces of this non-slip material. The magic lies in the incredible grip these seemingly simple pieces provide. By placing one piece on the lid and the other on the base of the jar, you create instant high-friction surfaces. With a firm grip on both pieces, you'll find that even the most stubborn lids yield with minimal effort. The non-slip material allows you to apply rotational force without the lid or jar slipping in your hands. The beauty of this method, it boasts a fantastic success rate, doesn't damage your lids, is incredibly easy to use, takes up virtually no storage space, is incredibly affordable, you likely already have some, and cleaning is as simple as wiping them down. So before you invest in another gadget, give this simple trick a try. What are your go-to jar opening solutions? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this tip helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical kitchen hacks.